My name is Athina Markopoulou. I am a professor of electrical engineering and computer science at the University of California Irvine. I'm also an IEEE Fellow with the Communication Society. My research is broadly in the area of computer networks with emphasis on internet measurement and more recently on privacy and data transparency. I'm currently the director of an NSF center on this topic, Proper Data, whose goal is to protect personal data on the internet. I currently also serve as the Associate Dean for Graduate and Professional Studies in the Samueli School of Engineering at UC Irvine. My general area is computer networks with emphasis on internet measurement. Over the years, I have developed network measurement techniques and apply them to different kinds of networks. More recently, my interests have shifted towards privacy and data transparency. I still use my networking background and measurement techniques, but now applied in order to reveal data collection and use practices and to develop privacy-enhancing techniques. I also work increasingly at the interface between computer science and privacy policy and law. The main challenge in this area is that the problem is not purely technical. The solution requires a synergy between technologies like myself, policymakers and law enforcement, and also revisiting the underlying data economics. These communities that I mentioned are increasingly coming together and talk to each other. My NSF Center Proper Data is an example of such interdisciplinary collaborations. I was not one of those people that knew from the beginning what they want to do. So I knew I want to do something related to math and STEM from a young age. So when I arrived for my PhD at Stanford, it was the time of the internet boom. So it was late 90s. Internet was just taking off. Everybody around me was doing networking technology. So I thought that's pretty interesting. So I spent my early career years working on internet protocols and how to design good protocols and evaluate their performance and how to make the internet faster. By now, it's pretty clear that the internet has societal implications. So I'm still applying my knowledge of network protocols, but to enhance privacy when you use the internet. ComSoc is my home community. I started from the Infocom conference. So it provided me a group of like-minded people. And they mentored me over the years. And that community is broad enough. When people say networking, they can mean completely different things. They can mean from mathematical modeling to building routers. So it's a pretty wide community. So it gave me the flexibility to feel comfortable, change topics as well, and still be at home within that society. I would advise to carefully pick the question you work on and to not be afraid to go after big open questions. Sometimes PhD students and young researchers, including my younger self, are intimidated and shy away from asking open questions or big questions, and they opt for work that feels more safe. Yet, these early career stages are when people can actually make their most important contributions. I consider myself lucky to be able to have a career in academia and in my field in particular. The faculty job itself is very satisfying. It's not a single job, but it's many jobs at the same time. I can do research, I can work with PhD students who keep me young, I teach, I sometimes step up for service and leadership positions, I occasionally take sabbaticals, I work with the industry. It's very versatile and it's really a lifelong learning journey. In particular in our field, of networking and communications, and it is super exciting to work on this field and feel that you contribute to society. ComSoc is where I connect because it is my home within IEEE. I started my career in Infocom, where I have found many long-term collaborators, mentors, and friends. It has been a constant part of my career journey as topics and the field evolves.